Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to find winning products and run a successful dropshipping business in 2025? In this video, I will show you exactly how to use dropship.io from product research to spying on top Shopify stores step by step. Dropship.io is a powerful product research and competitive analysis tool made for dropshippers. It helps you find trending and profitable products, spy on successful Shopify stores, analyze real time sales data, save products to your personal list. Let's dive in and see how it works. Once Now go to search for dropship.io. Then click start 7-day trial. Pick a plan from here. Once you're logged in, you will land on the dashboard. Here's what you will see. Dropship dashboard. Product databases, product database, store explorer, sales tracker, saved products, etc. Everything is designed to help you make fast, smart decisions. Let's start with the product database, where most people find their winning products. From the left sidebar, click on Product Database. Use filters like category, beauty, home, tech, etc. Order, growth, selling price range, store count, how many stores are selling it. Click on a product to view competitor stores, product images, pricing trends, supplier links like AliExpress, CZ dropshipping is etc. Look for products with high growth but low competition. Next, let's use the Store Explorer to spy on top performing Shopify stores. Click Store Explorer from your dashboard. Sort by revenue, store age, daily visitors, view each store's top selling products, apps used, and layout. This helps you reverse engineer successful stores and borrow ideas for your own brand. Want to track a specific store or product over time? Use the sales tracker from the left sidebar. Add any store or product to your tracker. Monitor daily revenue, order count, and performance. Great for validating before you start selling a product. Linked a product. Linked a product, click save and it will go into your personal list. Access it anytime under save products, add notes, compare items, and plan your future ads. Useful when working with a team or VA. Now, pricing section. Dropship.io has a free trial and paid plans start just a few dollars or a month depending on the tools you need. Here are a few tips for using Dropship.io effectively. Focus on growing products, not saturated ones. Always visit the competitors' landing pages. Use Google Trends to double check interest. Combine it with tools like Shopify, Canva, and TikTok ads for growth. For basic plan, what's inside? 20 searches per day, product database, competitor research, 10,000 credits, ad spot, 10,000 credits, ad library, 10 stores, store tracker, 20 products, product tracker, 20 or 40 products per week, product drops. Start the free trial and follow the prompts. And that's how you use dropship.io in 2025. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite product niche. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.